Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can repost Instagram story. Alright guys, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and if you want to repost Instagram story, you have to be mentioned in someone's Instagram story, and after you have been mentioned on or tagged in someone's Instagram story, you will get the notification on your Instagram direct message, so you can open your Instagram direct message. Alright, and this is the account who mentioned me in a story, so we can tap on it. Then if we want to repost the story, we can just tap on add to your story. Okay, and wait for a moment. Okay, and before we repost the story, we can edit the story. We can tap on the sticker button to add sticker. We can also add tags or add music to our story. Then we can also get the full screen. We can just tap on the story like this to get the full screen. And after we're done editing the story, we can tap on your story right here. Then the story will be reposted on our Instagram account. Okay, and let's just check the story. We can tap on your story right here to check it. Okay, and now the story has been reposted, and that's how we can repost Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.